In this video, I will show you how to easily create a book cover for your low-content notebook to sell on Amazon KDP. As you may already know, your KDP book cover must be a single PDF file that includes the back cover, spine, and front cover. If you want to include spine text, your book must have at least 79 pages. If your manuscript is less than 79 pages, and spine text is included, Amazon will reject the cover, so be sure to stick with the rules. You can download a variety of different interior PDF templates to create all sorts of journals and notebooks from my Gumroad website. The link is in the description below. We will use Canva to create our cover, as it is easy to use and comes with a ton of options. First, we need to get the correct size for our book, so let's go to the KDP book cover calculator on Amazon, which is free to use. The link is also in the description below. The cover calculator will show us the perfect size for our book cover. We need to provide the binding type first. Let's make a paperback book and select standard color interior, and the white paper type. The page direction is left to right and the measurement units are in inches. The trim size for this book cover will be 6 by 9 inches, but you can pick any size. The last option is the number of pages. Our interior template contains 120 pages, so we select that and then we click on the Dimensions button, and the correct book cover template appears, including the specific dimensions. We will need this information when setting up our book cover in Canva, so don't close the page and download the template by clicking the button. The template will be downloaded as a zip file, so you need to extract the file to your computer. Now, let's go back to Canva and click on Create a New Design. We want the design to be exactly the same size as told by the KDP calculator, so let's pick Custom Size, enter 12.52 by 9.25 inches, and click on New Design, and that will give us our full book cover template. We will now upload our KDP cover template to Canva. Click on Upload, select the file, and once it's uploaded we click the image and it will be automatically placed into the blank design. Make the template bigger so it will fit inside our design. On the right side is the front cover of our book and on the left is the back cover. This template will serve as a guideline only, so we will not need it after the cover is finished. When the cover is done, we will remove the template. The most important thing is to stay within the white parts of the design and not put anything in the pink fields, so the cover will have the correct layout. Remember that as long as your design stays in the white section, your cover will be fine. Also make sure to not put anything in the yellow square with the barcode, as it is intended to place your book's barcode here after uploading your cover to Amazon KDP. The first thing to do is make the template transparent. I will set it to 30%, so it is still visible while we are working on the design. Start by adding a background. You can choose any color or put in a background image that you have the rights for. If you have no clue how to get started, go to Amazon or Etsy, and browse through some low-content journals or notebooks to get inspiration from. You can also check out some of the Canva book cover templates. Just open a new design, type in book cover, and you will get a full list of covers. I will just go ahead and make the background dark blue, and then I will add some text. Type in my journal, make it bold and pick a different font and color to match the background. You can also add an image to the cover. Go to Elements, type in Journal, and pick something that fits your cover. Let me put in this graphic in the center and resize it until it fits. If you don't like the colors, you can change them here. If you don't have a paid Canva account, you will need to adjust the filter option to look for free graphics. When done, we can add something to the back cover. You can put your author name here, a link to your website, bookstore, or your business logo, whatever you want. Just be sure that you stay within the white area of the template, and stay away from the pink. When done, you can remove the KDP template, save the design, and then download the cover as a PDF file for uploading to Amazon KDP, along with your manuscript. That's it. You can now repeat the process to make more book covers, and build a complete arsenal of low-content books to sell on your KDP store. Selling low-content books on Amazon is considered one of the best ways to generate passive online income. No-content or low-content books refer to books that contain minimal design elements such as journals, planners, coloring books and notebooks. You just need to upload your manuscript and book cover to KDP, put in the right keywords, a description and set a price to start making sales on autopilot. Nothing to print, package or ship out to your customers. Everything is automated by Amazon. People who buy your book get directed to the thank you page after their purchase, and Amazon prints and ships the book to your customers. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, share it with your friends, or even better, subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell to get my latest videos first. Have a great day.